Once again, ladies and gents, family and friends, let's give the floor to the top one in our executive five-star diamond director, Mentor Ranel Blanco. The floor is yours, Mentor.
All right, no? So, anyway, good evening, everyone. So, I hope klaro na po, no? So, Ma'am Maris, paki-check lang po,
Yes,
no?
very
Just subaybayan
clear.
lang po, no? So, very clear po, no? Anyway, sa lahat ng mga leaders dito, no? So, congratulations, no? This evening for attending this very important meeting natin, no? So, this evening. So, sa lahat ng mga leaders natin, no? If you are coming from Luzon, no? Para at least alam natin, no? So, can you type 1 if you're coming from Luzon? Ayan, no? So maraming coming from Luzon. If you're coming from Visayas and Mindanao naman, no? Kasi nandito lahat ng mga leaders natin. Then, so can you type number 2, no? If you're coming from, of course, no? From Mindanao, no? So, ayan. Ayan, no? So anyway, sa lahat ng mga leaders dito, no? Congratulations for being here tonight. And Doc Edu, thank you so much for pushing this training, no, and for inviting, no, to be one of the speaker in the MDC natin, no. Sa lahat ng mga leaders dito, alam ko, no, yung time ninyo valuable din, so at least, no, makapag-add man lang ako ng value sa inyo this evening, no, and ito yung pinaka-importante. At least kung ano man yung masasabi natin this evening is that yun po yung mga pina-practice natin, and of course, no, yun po yung kadalasan na lahat ng mga tinuturo natin dito in terms of mindset, ito po yung nagpatakpan sa atin sa USANA Philippines, no? And ito po yung nagpa-sustain sa atin basically ng momentum, no, na hindi talaga natigil yung momentum natin, na tuloy-tuloy yung momentum natin even way back 2015 we become Diamond Director in USANA, and then 16, then we slowed down a little bit in 2017, and then 18, and then we get back again the I can say the never-ending momentum na from 2019 until 2020 until 2021, no? So anong ibig sabihin diyan ng never-ending momentum? Ibig sabihin diyan is that from the day, no, from the day na inumpisahan namin yung momentum in 2019, no, when we get back again the momentum, hindi na nawala yung momentum na yon. So we continue to rally, no, and imagine mo until today, 9 weeks more to go, momentum is still going on in our business. So yun po yung napakaganda po yung business natin sa USANA, kasi pag tingnan mo yung business natin, pwede talaga siyang mag-momentum yung business natin, unlike with na isa lang yung pwede nating gawin in terms of I don't like to discourage those mga empleyado, but my point is that during the time in my employment, so iba yung momentum doon, kasi kahit paano pa yung momentum ko dati, hindi naman ako palaging na-promote, kasi ayun nga, no, so hindi naman pwede palitan yung nauna ko, but inyo sana pwede nating ma-overtake sino yung mauna sa atin, dahil ang USANA hindi siya parang controlled by one person, no? Yun yung pinakamaganda sa business natin, no? So my downline pwede ding isurpass yung na-achieve ko sa USANA. Ayun po, no? So now I'll give you a very quick about my background, no? At least maintindihan ninyo saan ako nanggaling. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, no? So, of course, I'm your executive 5-star Diamond Director in USANA today. No? So, kung nakita ninyo yung niyan, yung picture na yan, tayo to USANA, no? Bago ako pumasok dito sa background ko before USANA, para at least alam na ninyo na trabahante pala tong si Ranel Blanco before USANA, no. Anyways, bago sa USANA is I'm also an employee, no, and I work as a medrep for the past 8 years, and of course, no, kung titingnan mo yung background ko na 8 years after doon, no, after ko naging midrep, so ayun po, I get promoted to and become a regional sales manager in 2019, in 2006, 7, 8, no, and then in 2010, no, I decided to build my own company. I build my career as an RSM, and then decided to quit my job in 2000. Ayun po, 2011, no, 2011, and then in 2012, I build my company, no. So nung na-build ko yung company ko, no, so hindi ganoon kadali kasi kung i-build mo yung company mo, hindi naman siya kailangan talaga ng malaking kapital, kasi kung titingnan mo yung pharmaceutical ko is that it's all started from a humble beginning. Hindi kailangan ng 10 million. Siguro mga 2 million pwede ka nang mag-start ng pharmaceutical business, no? And after building my pharmaceutical business, no, it was a breakthrough, no? Okay, so now imagine mo in 2012, when I built this pharmaceutical distribution business, hindi ganun kadali yung pharmaceutical distribution business ko that time. Kasi imagine mo, it took me like almost 3 years bago po mag-take off yung business. So bakit ko kinuwento yon? Para at least alam nyo bakit po ba marami sa atin sa Usana nadi-discourage na hindi pa nag-take off yung business niya, like mag 1 year na ako dito, mag 2 years na ako dito. Na it took me 3 years, no, para yung business namin medyo kikita ng konti. Ang word on is that kumikita ng konti, hindi malaki, right? Now after like kumikita ng konti yung business namin, ayun na, no. So during at the peak of my career, no, as an owner of my own pharmaceutical distribution company, doon pa nangyari na parang pumasok si Usana, parang wrong timing. Kasi marami sa atin dito, ayaw nating i-build ang business kasi ayun nga, pumasok ang Usana, no? Pumasok ang Usana na wrong timing at the peak of your career, no? So ako din that time, pumasok ang Usana at the peak of my career, no? During the time, and marami din akong question before, no? Bakit ngayon pumasok tong Usana? No, sana pumasok tong Usana nung 2000, nung wala pa akong pharmaceutical company. Now, nung pumasok yung Usana, I was so busy running my company, and sinong magkakala, yung brother ko, na tatrabahuin ko pala yung Usana na yon. So sabi ng brother ko, parang imposible na trabahuin tong Usana ng batang to, kasi imaginein mo that time, I was so busy running my company, and nung pumasok ang Usana, I have to operate my business like halos 24/7, kasi imagine mo, you have a lot of med reps and ang dami mong i-service na mga customers. So, but nung pumasok yung Usana, doon ko nakita, na-compare ko na nung unti-unti nang kumita yung yung business namin. Nung kumita na yung business namin, sabi ko ni Jonalyn, ayun, ituloy natin, subukan natin, i-part-time natin, at least we can give, no, 4 hours in a day, no? Kasi alam ko naman din na business yung Usana, so hindi rin pwede na mag-expect lang ako na kikita ako dito tapos wala naman akong ginawa na vital sa business, no? So I am an entrepreneur, so ayun po, tinrabaho ko po yung Usana parang day in, day out, no? So pakita ko lang yung slide, no? Baka pwede nang ma-share yung Ranel Blanco to, no? Baka makuhost tong Ranel Blanco to, no? Para at least you can see ano yung nangyayari sa kasi I guess marami bago dito, so kailangan maintindihan ninyo saan ako nang galing. Ayan, no? All right. So Coach Maris, no? So thank you so much, no, for a very energetic this evening, no, na grabe talaga yung energy mo diyan, no? Parang ako yung nahawa sa energy mo. Ayan, no? So this is my, this is my company.
Mentor,
This
I
is
think
my this is my company, and imaginein mo the time, no, when nakita ko yung Usana during 2000, kung kayo yung sa sa case ko, sigurado ako na hindi nyo gagawin yung USANA kasi during the time, they call me the young millionaire at the age of 30 years old kasi marami daw akong sasakyan, ganyan, no? Pero hindi nila alam na napakarami ko ding utang. So when this brother, Randy, share me this amazing opportunity, sabi ko, ano ba yung pinag-share mo sa akin na medyo turbo yung company ko, no? Marami sa atin na tinatanong din natin yung mga tao na nag-share sa atin na para bang bakit mo sinishare yung USANA sa akin ngayon na yung career ko masisira? Kasi marami sa amin dito ngayon na parang mentor, kung sakali mentor pumasok tong USANA, kung hindi lang sa busy ako ngayon or hindi lang timing lang ito before, gagawin ko sana. Now, would you imagine in my case, in 2012, when my brother, hindi siya nag-hesitant, nag-share sa akin ng USANA. Bakit? Alam natin ang USANA, hindi lang siya yung business side, pati yung, yung health ng buong pamilya ko ngayon, sa totoo lang, iba talaga yung USANA. Kasi imaginein mo, without health, you cannot be happy, right? No? So, ayun po, those are the story bakit namin yung USANA, tinrabaho talaga yung USANA. Ayun po, we become gold director in a matter of 3 months, no? So, okay na ba yan? Gold director tayo 3 months. So, 3 months kami naging gold director ni Junalyn. Pero, alam mo, yung gold director 3 months kami, wala pa kaming masyadong learning eh. And sabi ko nga ni Junalyn dati, sabi ko gold director na tayo pero hindi ganun ka-solid. Kaya nga, huwag tayong magtaka na minsan gold director tayo, hindi pa solid yung income natin kasi gold pa lang eh. Kaya nga, we cannot slow down in a gold directorship. Kasi pag mag-slow down tayo in being a gold director, then basically, so tuloy lang ang laban, kapatid, right? No? So, ayun po, no? So tuloy tayo, no? So, these are the stories. And today, para sa akin is that aside from being the ambassador in the True Health Foundation in USANA Philippines, this is the greatest award for me after becoming gold director, and then lahat na nagpasa namin yung mga, ang pinakamahirap sa amin is being a gold director. Anyway, I will explain to you later ano yung mga pinaka-importante na babantayan natin when you become a leader in USANA, when you become PPS, when you become director, silver, or when you become gold director, or even ruby, or even emerald, or even diamond director. So we become ambassador in True Health, and of course, the Dr. Dennis Whitley Leadership Award. No, ito lang yung mga part of our success na hindi namin makalimutan. Number 1 is being the ambassador, no, in True Health Foundation. So I never understand about True Health before, and I never understand about taking good care of my health, and of course, giving back to the community before USANA. But right now, it is our mindset to be healthy always, and of course, it is our mindset na kailangan talaga na mag-give back sa community and to lead by example every day in my life, no, in USANA Philippines, because para sa akin ang ginagawa ko ngayon is a sort of giving back, no, to my team and to my cross lines, no, here in Cebu, na kailangan makapag-give back kami through leading the team and continue inspiring them. Ito yung pinaka-importante para sa amin. Ayun po, no. So, and for those leaders that who don't believe in this opportunity, if you believe me or not, in 2013, 15, no, so sinara namin yung company namin. Ano yung company namin na sinara? Sinara namin yung company namin na during the time, napakalaki na. I have like 12 brand new cars. I have a lot of medreps in my company. But sinara namin in 2015, no? So, maraming nagtanong sa akin, no, I'm not saying isara niyo yung company niyo, but maraming nagtanong sa akin, bakit niyo sinara yung company niyo? Para sa akin, sinara ko yung company ko because gusto kong ipalit sa kanya is ito, no? Baliw lang talaga ako at that time, no? And hindi naman sa hindi kumita yung company ko is to have an international business, no? International business na USANA. So marami sa atin dito na kaya ngayon walang resulta kasi hindi pa masyadong resolve dito sa USANA, no? Marami pang hindi resolved. So my point is that kahit 4 hours yung ginagawa mo kasi part-time mo talaga si Usana, kailangan result tayo na trabahuin natin. Hindi pwede na trabahuin natin yung Usana business natin na parang trabahuin lang natin pag gusto natin, no? Gaya ngayon, no? Mayroon namang tinatawag na promo ang Usana na momentum bonus, right? So hindi pwede tatrabaho lang tayo kasi may bonus. Actually, additional ni Usana yon, but our mindset as an associate, as an independent distributor in Usana, dapat ang trabaho natin sa Usana, hindi pwede na magtrabaho tayo kasi may bonus. Ayun, may bonus nga, magtrabaho tayo. Kailangan maintindihan natin na trabahuin natin tong business natin kasi sa totoo lang negosyo natin to. Hindi naman to negosyo ni So meaning to say, atin tong business na to kaya kailangan nating trabahuin. So I hope klaro po sa atin yung mindset na yan, right? So ayun po. So I have an international business. So klaro sa amin ni Mentor Jonalyn na yung business namin is international. So sino dito sa atin ngayon na resolve na talaga na yung business natin yan, international, global ang business natin, napakaganda, napakalaki, no? So dapat yun yung mindset natin na yung business natin ngayon is international and global yung business natin. Tama ba, no? So sige nga. Sino sa atin dito, sa mga leaders na nag-attend dito, na full-time na sa Usana? Yung full-time lang. Gusto ko lang makita yung mga full-time ng sa Usana. Ayan, can you type 1 if you are full-time sa Usana? Ayan, no? So, ayan, maraming full-time sa Usana, no? So, yung mga full-time sa Usana, okay yan. Pero ang importante dito din na after you are being a full-time, kailangan matanong mo din, are you really doing every day yung mga vital sa paggawa ng business? Or kikilos lang yung tao kasi ang nangyayari is, ayan, tapos na kumikilos lang. Pwede rin kumikilos tayo dahil kumikilos sa Kumintor kasi may bonus. So ang tawag mo dyan is that, bumalik tayo dyan sa, project mindset, no? Project mindset tayo. So pag project mindset tayo, anong mangyari sa atin? We cannot operate a business na para bang ang business ko Mintoranel, napakalaki, pero project mindset tayo. So, naintindihan ba natin? No? So, at least klaro sa atin and I hope klaro sa inyo yung pagiging hindi siya project ang mindset natin ngayon. Hindi pwedeng project. Kasi pag project ang mindset natin, wala talaga tayong maabot sa Usana. Kasi ayun, pina-project natin. Gagawin natin pag okay ang sitwasyon, gagawin natin pag may bonus. Pero pag walang bonus ang Usana, ayan, wala rin tayong gagawin kasi wala naman
Mentor, choppy at the moment.
mayroon siyang promo or wala siyang
Mentor
promo.
Ranel.
Kailangan kikilos
Hello,
tayo.
hello.
Kikilos tayo kahit may promo o wala ang Usana. Ayan, no? So, I hope, klaro ba, Coach? Ano yun?
Much better, Mentor. Now you're
Yeah.
back.
No? So, kailangan kikilos tayo kahit ano. Now, in 2021, in Usana, we still get the big milestone in Usana to be the 5-star Diamond Director and nag-qualify din kami sa Peru. Anong ibig sabihin dyan? Ang ibig sabihin dyan is that in 2020, kung titingnan mo, wala na tayong, hindi na mahihirapan tayo na kukunin yung mga trip sa Usana like for Peru, ganyan, kukunin yung mga trip incentive sa Usana. Kung ang mindset natin, project asset, tapos na yung Sydney in 4-star. So, in 2020, sabi ko ni Mentor Jonalyn, ang mindset natin dito is that every single year, we have to grow our business. Kaya nga sa mga nagrun dito ngayon, nagrarun dito na gustong maging successful sa business na to and gustong by yung makapunta sa Athens, Greece, no? Malayo pa kasi we still have 9 weeks more to go, right? So kung 9 weeks more to go yan, so meaning to say, kayang-kaya yan, no? Kasi yung pin-repair niyo sana sa atin ngayon. O sige, sabihin na natin, gusto mo project, gusto mo talaga yung ngayon, Mentor Ranel, gusto ko yan kasi may promo. Kukunin natin yan. Add-on kasi yung support ng Usana. Add-on yung support ng Usana. Ang pinaka-importante dito is that you continue to move on para yung sa baba mo, yung pamilya mo, dinala mo sa Usana, or even your personal na mga downlines mo, na dinala mo dito sa Usana, at least sila din mag-rank advance, sila din mag-climb up into the next ladder of success. Then that's the reason why we keep growing our business, because it would only mean na yung mga downline natin na sumabay sa atin, or even yung pamilya natin na nag-enroll sa Usana, ayun, maging successful din sa business, no? So yung give up ko, nakita mo yan, no? Sinara ko yung company, and then ano yung naibigay ni Usana sa akin is that the lifestyle that I never imagined, and the family business na nabigay ko sa pamilya ko. So kaya nga sa mga leaders dito, matagal na tayong takot sa buhay natin, and hindi natin alam ano yung kinatakot natin. Kaya ang masasabi ko sa inyo ngayong gabi is ganito. Don't afraid to give up the good for the great. Marami sa atin, we're not living our dreams. We're living because we're living in our comfort zone. We're not living in our dreams because palagi tayong natatakot. Ano ba yung pag mag-Usana ako, baka hindi ako maging successful, ganyan. So marami tayong mga bagay na kinatakot. But ako, kung titingnan mo, that company is parang, it's not a very big company, but kung titingnan mo, it's a skyrocketing company na. Para bang, pag Granel Blanco yung pinag-usapan, Pagadian City, ayan, young millionaire yan, parang ganyan, no? So, ganyan ang, So, ano yung na-realize ko? So, number one, ito yung na-realize ko. I am an RSM. So, sa trabaho ko dati, I'm earning like this one. No? So, okay naman, no? Wala namang problema. But I cannot increase my income plus 100,000 the following year, and plus the following year plus 100,000. So, hindi siya ganyan in my, na ipo-forecast ko na mag 400,000 ako in the next 4 years. Tama ba? No? So, iwan ko lang sa employment niyo, pero yan yung na-realize ko sa business ko. But, kaya nga, gumawa ako ng sarili kong pharmaceutical. In my traditional business, the sad thing is that every expansion, I have 12 med reps. Ito yung na-realize ko kasi matagal ko na itong gusto kong masabi sa mga bakit ba talaga? So I have 12 med reps na every time I expand 1 med rep, I need 1 million. Grabe naman, 1M ang kailangan if I will expand. But yung income, hindi nga mag-increase ng kahit 100,000 per month. No, pag additional med rep, 1 million din. Is ang income ko ng 100,000. So, grabe no? So, imaginein mo, 12 med reps, meaning that is 12 million capital. I have 15 med reps, so I have to have a capital na 15 million. Iwan ko lang sa iba, but this is my personal story, no? And the pain is this. Nung pumasok ako sa Usana, hindi ko rin na-appreciate kasi imaginein mo, for the first year, kikita lang ako dito ng Usana ng average $200. No, $200 first year. Hindi ko na-appreciate sa umpisa. But in 2015, the $200 nag-exponential growth siya ng 4,000. So, anong ibig sabihin dyan? Ang tawag dyan, exponential ang growth, but yung capital, hindi naman siya nag-exponential. Ganyan lang din yung capital. Isa lang yung capital. So, the effort that I put into the business, exponentially grow to 2021 to $8,000. Ang ibig sabihin dyan is that there is what we call tumaas yung income kasi mayroong tinatawag na leverage. So this is my own story, and of course disclaimer lang, tinrabaho ko yan. So comparing it with my employment, hindi siya mag-increase ng 100,000. Nung sa pharmaceutical distribution business, if I need to expand, I need to increase my capital at least 1 million additional capital. Dito sa Usana, wala akong i-extend na capital. Kundi yung effort ko dito sa Usana, yun yung capital na ibigay ko. So para sa akin, it's hindi na kailangan i-analyze, parang no-brainer, parang why will I do in this business seriously over and over again? Because who knows? Who knows that next year will be 16,000 US dollar kasi leveraging nga, right? So who knows that additional 1 year, it's 24,000 US dollar a week, and additional 1 year, who knows, na mag $30,000 a week. So imagine mo, when we exert more effort in this business, pag hindi ka na-disrupt, hindi ka na-corrupt, pag continue ka nag-attend ng Zoom meeting, ayan, no? Kahit putol-putol yung Zoom meeting natin, nakinig ka pa rin, excited ka pa rin, hindi na maputol yung Zoom meeting natin. Ganyan yung na-realize ko from being an RSM to an owner of my own company, and then until today na naging in 2021 na, and then naging 5-star Diamond Director ako. No, so all the struggles, the hardship na ginawa namin, no, yung mga sleepless night namin ni Mentor Junalyn, yung may question din kami, nagtanong din kami, tama ba to? Ba't nagpatuloy lang kami? Bayad siya lahat, guys. Bayad siya lahat. Bakit? Imaginein mo, if this in my Usana business today, para sa akin, it's fully in a take-off mode. It's in the take-off mode. So bayad siya lahat. So if mayroon sa atin dito na mga leaders dito ngayon, I hope you realize something tonight, that this is not a project. This is not a project. This is a real business that you need to run every day. So Mentor Ranel, if that is the case, that you were able to expand your business from $4,000 from $200 and then expanded into $4,000, and then after $4,000 expanded into $8,000, and next year you're targeting a CBP of like $16,000. Now, what is the process to the top? If the title of the training natin ngayon is that once you started the business, can never stop. So number one, wag natin kalimutan, this one, is that lahat ng mga leaders, doon tayo nawala sa tinatawag natin, na nawala yung excitement natin. So kadalasan sa associates, doon nababasag or nasisira ang business nung nawala yung excitement. Now, why you can get a new sponsor when you are still a builder or even believer, or nung hindi ka pa PPPS? But when you become a PPPS, when you become gold, you become ruby, would you imagine, if you are a gold director, wala kang direct sponsor in that month, or you are a silver, or you are a director, you're killing your business. Because if you are not growing, you are dying, right? Agree ba kayo that if you are not growing, you are dying? No, so imaginein mo, pag nawala yung excitement na yan. Pag nawala yung excitement na yan, wala talaga. I'm very excited, guys. Even until today, kung yung is supposed to rest, no? But today, we are in a training. So, hindi nawala yung excitement. So, saan ba nanggagaling ang excitement? Nanggagaling ang excitement sa tamang mindset. Nanggagaling ang excitement sa tamang mindset. So kung hindi tama ang mindset mo, you can never get an excitement. Wala ka talagang excitement kung hindi tama ang mindset. Ano yung tama ang mindset, Mentor Ranel? Ito, ganito yon. Ang tama na mindset is ganito. Kung tama yung mindset natin, dapat ngayon na nag-Usana tayo, may promo ang Usana o wala, dapat aarangkada tayo. Hindi na tayo magtanong kasi wala ka namang nakita na negosyante na tinatanong mo, what is your ano yung ginagawa mo sa business mo? Tapos sabihin niya, sir, I'm walking my business. Wala naman. It's always, I'm running a business, I'm running a company, I'm running a multiple company. Mayroon ako maraming kumpanya na niraran. Wala kang nasabi no na Mentor, the same lang ang mindset dapat dito si Usana. Ang masama nga, ang napakasakit nga dito is that yusanan lang yung ginagawa natin. Hindi pa natin kayang gawin ang business natin, right? Yusana lang yung ginagawa natin, hindi na natin kayang gawin ang business natin. Yan. No? So, kaya nga mindset is everything kasi ang laki ng yusana, guys. Ang laki ng yusana, alam natin lahat 'yan. Alam natin lahat 'yan. But marami sa atin, no, there are almost 600 leaders tonight. If there is one thing that I can advise you, galing lang yan sa mindset. Who give me right now for almost 400,000 a week income or 400,000 plus sometimes is saan nagagaling yan? Never na disrupt and na-corrupt ang mindset ko. And saan nanggagaling yan? Doon sa mindset, and kaya nga excited ako, kaya nga pag tama ang mindset mo, yung excitement mo nang doon, so wag na nating kasi mayroon talagang resulta yan. Mayroon talagang result. Pero pag mali yan, mali talaga. Kaya ano yung mindset natin? Sige, umpisahan natin yung momentum natin. In the next 4 weeks, subukan niyo, wag mo nang pahinga. Next 4 weeks, you huddle your leaders, suportaran nyo yung nag-run ng $100 a week. In the next 6 weeks or 4 weeks, tuloy natin yung momentum niyan. And tell me, balikan mo ako. Balikan mo ako, tawagan mo ako, kung hindi arangkada yung organization nyo in the next 30 days. 30 days. 30 days will take off your business in this 2020, 2021. If you slow down in the next 30 days or until December, don't expect by January na mayroon tayong mapulot. And I've been in this business for almost 9 years. And 9 years is long enough to tell you kailan bumagsak ang business, kailan tag-take off ang business. And ano yung process, mentor, na sinasabi mo? Now, ito naman yung process na sinasabi ko. Now, the process of going to the top and the process na ginagawa ko na what sustain my income, bakit talaga hindi talaga nag-stop yung organization ko, and why I keep moving, I keep climbing up to the ladder of success, because ito yon. Number 1 is hindi talaga nawala sa akin yung sponsoring na yan. Naalala natin from excitement, right? From excitement going into sponsoring, no? So yung mindset, yung umpisa dyan. Tapos yung excitement, kailangan hindi mawala. So the production mode in our business, you cannot just run to 6 out of 8 weeks na $100 pag hindi ka nag-sponsoring. Now ito yon. Pag hindi nag-sponsoring yung downline mo na pinaran mo, then if you are a leader today, you have to start doing the sponsoring so that people will follow under your organization. Once you start, you never stop, right? But majority sa atin, we stop sponsoring. And the reason why yung business natin nag-stop mag-grow kasi we rely the points with our existing line without expanding our business. No, tama si Juliet, no? Maganda 'yan. Mag-respond kayo sa mag-respond kayo, no? Mag-respond kayo sa So ganyan, no? So we stop sponsoring. Kaya nga sabi nila, when is the best time to close a sale? Now, the best time to close a sale is after closing a sale. Meaning to say, kasi excited ka, right? The best time to close a sale kasi you are excited. So meaning to say, if you are closing a sale, then you have to keep moving and keep moving. Kaya nga, sponsoring in our business, hindi talaga pwedeng mawala yung sponsoring na yan. If you want to grow in your business right now, na gusto nyo mag-grow talaga yung business nyo, tulungan mo ako, Mentor Ranel, tulungan mo ako, ma'am, tulungan mo ako, sir, you have to keep moving. Sponsor, sponsor, sponsor. Yan. So in terms of sponsoring, now, ganito yan. Now, from sponsoring to nurturing, to equipping your leaders, and to developing your leaders, hindi talaga mawala yan sa organization natin. I don't know sa inyo, but in my case, I've been practicing this one, hindi talaga pwedeng mawala yung sponsoring. Kalimutan mo nang mag-develop ng leaders kung hindi ka nag-sponsor ng new. If you want to have sustainable growth in your business, you have to sponsor as many as you can, right? Sponsors. TP every day. Share the product, share the plan every single day. And you cannot nurture someone kung wala kang na-sponsor, wala ka ring ma-equip, then basically, wala ka ring ma-develop. So, wala talagang ma-build, basically. No? Kaya nga, once you build the business, you can never stop. Kasi, pag mayroon na, if assuming no, that this is your organization, ito yung left mo. Now, mayroon ka nang na-sponsor dito. Pag i-build mo yung right mo, mag-sponsor ka din, right? Until mayroon kang ma-nurture and then ma-develop. So, pabalik-balik lang yung trabaho natin sa USANA. No? Kaya nga, palagi ko inisip, ano yung pwede ko ma-add na bakit ba hanggang ngayon, I never stop. And I keep climbing the ladder of success in USANA. And I will never stop because mayroon ng 17-star, 5-star pa ako, right? So kaya nga hindi nagpahinga, no? Hindi talaga magpahinga, no? If mag-slow down konti ang business, ayun, evaluate, bakit nag-slow down? And then the next morning, keep moving. The next week, keep moving. Nag-slow down this week, bakit nag-slow down? Ganyan, evaluation. And then keep moving. We cannot stop, no? We cannot stop. Ayun, so I always do a carpe diem. Ang ibig sabihin dyan, I just have to contact every day. I just to approach person every day. Wherever they are, even though nasa mall ako, nasa car wash ako, I just to do some retailing, no? Kasi hindi rin pwedeng wala, no? I just have to do some presentation, and of course, non-negotiable is that direct sponsoring. Would you imagine if we have direct sponsor per week, no? Kahit dalawa. No, imaginein mo if that is dalawa yung direct sponsor mo, minimum per week. Imaginein mo pag mayroon kang dalawa per week in 30 days time, no? Imaginein mo ilan yan times 4. No, times 4. So meaning to say mayroon kang how many sponsors? You have like 8 sponsors, no? But if you are going to evaluate your gold directors or even the bronze, the silver or even the directors, hindi na nag-sponsor yan after a certain milestone. Kaya nga na mawala ang momentum sa business. Bumalik sa inertia. Doon nasisira ang business natin. Kaya if you want to continue the momentum in your business, and then by 2022 first quarter, sasabog yung business natin, today is the right time to finish the year strong in the next 9 weeks. Sponsoring is one thing. Kaya nga, in the momentum bonus natin, kanina hinadol na namin yung ibang lines. This night, after our Zoom call, no? Kasi matatapos tayo maybe in the next 30 minutes, no? Matatapos tayo, Zoom meeting agad, no? Ma'am agad, hadilin na natin, wag na tayong mag-rely na mayroon pang mag-push sa atin, mag-huddle. If you are a silver, if you are a bronze, if you are a director or gold director, kung mayroon kang 3 leaders or 4 na leaders sa baba or 5 leaders sa baba, huddle to have this $100. And alam mo ba yung na-realize ko dito habang sa Zoom call kanina? Imaginein mo, sabi ko, grabe tong ano na to. Imagine ko, grabe tong program na to. Kasi imaginein mo, yung subsidy ng being in the growth, being in the growth in the Asia Pacific, di ba? Mayroon tayong subsidy na like $500 pag nasa level 2, right? Imaginein mo to, mayroon kang $100. Niraran mo lang yung 4 weeks. Ikaw na yung kumita ng $100, binigyan ka pa ng $100 additional. Right? So nakita mo ba yung beauty dito? And then, pag 6 weeks yan, mayroon kang $150. That is 7,600. Ibigay December 17. Amazing company, right? Guys, can you type amazing company, USANA? Imagine mo, 7,600 is 7,600. Tapos, sino yung kumita? Ang ano dito is that ganito. Sino ngayon yung nag-benefits when you run this one? Ang nag-benefits dito is, of course, una yung downline mo. Kasi na-build niya yung habit of sponsoring. Kasi sponsoring nga yung una natin eh. And then secondly is ikaw na leader sa organization mo is ikaw din yung na-build ang habit, na-build ang skills. And then ikaw yung anong nangyari sa organization mo? Sumabog yung organization mo. Kwentahin nyo, guys. And I think if there's one thing that I can share to you about the promo of USANA, maximizing the promo of USANA is very important. And appreciating every promo ng ginawa ng USANA. Kasi ginawa ng management yan to support sa atin, hindi to support their sales only. Ginawa sa USANA yan kasi they want to help associates. And the USANA company, they never stop thinking. No, especially the management team in the Philippines, no? Imagine mo, they never stop thinking what are the things that we can help. No, ano yung mga program na pwede natin ilalunch na matulungan natin yung mga distributor natin. And napaka-generous, right? So guys, are you blessed? No? Are you blessed that we are in USANA? Guys, gratefulness equals blessing. The moment you appreciate blessings, the moment you're grateful, blessings will follow. If you are not grateful, hindi mo talaga makita yung blessings. Because gratefulness equals blessings. Kung ganyan po, right? So ayun, what is the next mentor, Ranel? Now, after you have a sponsor, and the next thing that you have to do is that the process is never ending, right? So you have to, dito bumagsak every runners. Kasi every runners, after the sponsor, in the next 4 weeks, they stop. Wala sa rank advancement ang trabaho. Ang trabaho is every after rank advancement. Every after rank advancement, doon nangyayari yung trabaho. So ang tawag dyan is ganito. Equipping. No? Equipping or nurturing is halos sabayan. You have to equip them with basic tools and basic skills, right? Kasi pag hindi mo ma-equip yung mga tao na yan, mawala yan lahat. Hindi yan ma-equip ng skills. Hindi yan alam paano mag-handle ng rejection, right? Hindi alam nila paano mag-handle ng simple rejection na bakit ka nagyuyusana, mawala yung yusana na yan. So, ayan na, hindi nila kayang i-handle. Paano mawala ang company that is listed in NYSE? This company can outlive all of us. You have to realize that one. Because imagine mo, this is an NYSE. So, imagine mo if you have an associate na walang skills, walang knowledge. So, from prospecting to inviting, to presenting, right? To follow up, to closing, to handling rejection, to promoting events, lahat niyang skills na yan, it's non-negotiable. And I know, mayroon tayong mga training in our respective uplines in regards with that one. So wag nating kalimutan. Ayan, pag nawala ang momentum, balik. Wala na akong sponsor. Hindi na ako excited. Wala na akong sponsor. Right? So equipping is very important in this business. No? Kasi pag hindi sila ma-equip, wala talaga. Pag hindi mo ma-equip ang leader na yan, iiyak talaga yan. Hindi talaga yan magstay sa business natin. No? So kaya nga napaka-importante ang equipping na yan. So from sponsoring to equipping, right? So ayun po, no? So don't expect. Now, the third thing that you need to do is what? You have to nurture your downline. And equipping and nurturing is sabay-sabay talaga yan. So anong ibig sabihin yan, Mentor Ranel? Kadalasan nang nawala si USANA, hindi gumalaw. Now, I would like to borrow, ano yung sabi ni the 8-star Diamond Director in Singapore. If you see USANA as peanut, kung tingin mo si USANA maliit, then ibig sabihin, maliit din yung ibigay mo na effort. And what you get is small result. Right? But if nakita mo sa USANA, napakalaki na company, kikita ako dito ng malaki, magkaroon ako ng magandang buhay dito, naniwala ka talaga dito, no? And you believe in the product. You believe in the compensation plan. You believe in, and of course, in our industry, and you believe in yourself na kaya talaga mong gawin tong business na to. Guys, I will tell you, hindi talaga mawala yung tinatawag natin na massive action. Bakit? Ang massive action, nagsimula yan sa beliefs. So kung walang beliefs yung ano natin, how come? How come na gagawin nila ang business natin? They will never do anything to move forward kung maliit ang tingin nila sa industry natin. Kung wala silang belief sa product, wala silang belief sa compensation plan, right? So napaka-importante sa atin ngayon from sponsoring to equipping or nurturing that itong apat, the beliefs in the product, the compensation plan,
na napakaganda ng Complan ng Usana. 6 ways to earn. No-brainer. 6 ways to earn. Tapos yung tinrabaho, hindi yung 6 ways to earn. Marami ako nakita na distributor. Hindi lang dito. Wala siguro dito sa Sumpol. Marami ako nakita na distributor. They quit. And ano yung pinalit nila dito? Pinalit nila ng yung mga business na kikita lang pag may effort. Kikita lang pag may benta. Usana is all about continuity. Kaya sabi ko nga nung mayroon akong mga leaders, sabi ko nga there are only 2 ways para sa akin to ha. This is mine. There are only 2 ways to be successful or to be sabihin na natin to achieve financial abundance as fast as we can. It's about leveraging people and leveraging technology. Now perfect ang Usana diyan kasi it's all about leveraging people and leveraging technology. Anong ibig sabihin diyan? You leverage your effort to the other people. Bakit? Tinuruan mo sila. Tinuruan mo sila na matutong mangisda. Tinuruan mo sila na magbago din yung buhay nila through this Usana opportunity. Right? Tama yan. Dapat totally resolved tayo. From sponsoring to equipping to nurturing in our business, no? Business partner natin, wag nating bitawan. Now, there's a key there. After the run, after sponsoring, pag nagpahinga ka, wala kang na-equip, wala kang na-nurture, do you think you have leaders na ma-develop natin? Then basically, wala talaga tayong ma-develop, right? Doon tayo sumablay minsan. Kaya hindi na solidify ang business natin. Kaya nga, once you start, you can never stop. Bakit? Ang trabaho nag-umpisa after every rank advancement natin. Simple. Pag ayaw mong lalaki yung business natin, you stop sponsoring. You stop nurturing, you stop equipping your leaders. And basically, wala ka nang ma-develop in the leaders. So that's the thing in our business. So I hope somehow this will somehow enlighten. Kaya pala si Ranel Blanco tuloy-tuloy. Guys, and I will promise you, I will never stop building this business until the end. I will never stop building this business and be the inspiration to a lot of leaders because alam ko, malayo pa yung marating natin sa Usana. Malayo pa. Maniwala ka sa akin. We'll see. Sabi nila, is there any finishing line? No. There are no finishing line in Usana. And I would like to borrow ang sinasabi ng napakabayad na GM natin at ang sabi ang GM natin na lahat sa corporate natin na napakasipag. This is an infinite game. Kaya sabi nila sa akin, kailan ka mag-retirement, Ranel? No. You cannot retire of helping people. How come you cannot retire of helping people, right? So this is an infinite game and you can never see me slowing down. If God will allow me to live as long as I can, and if God will allow me to continue to build this empire, no, even not only in this country, to many countries around the world, I will continue my journey to push hard in this business. Because alam naman natin yung process, sponsoring, nurturing, equipping, right? Excitement, nanggagaling sa mindset, right? So ganyan po, no? So beliefs in the product, of course, napaka-importante ito, no? You have to continue to share the product of Usana. And you have to be caught by the vision of our founder, Dr. Myron Wentz, to be the healthiest family on earth. Para at least hindi tayo mawala, right? Of course, believe in the product. Bakit ba talaga Usana? Of course, madali lang yan. Formulated ingredients, no? Pag medical ang kausap mo, of course, sir, or doc, or ma'am, it's science-based. Pag science, hindi na natin pinag-ano yan. Pag sinasabi natin mayroong third party na mga accreditation, pag sinasabi natin our product is focusing on sales, so napakaganda ang product natin ni Usana. Of course, believe in Complan. Kaya nga, you have to focus, no? Kailangan yung after believing the product, kailangan din kikita kasi alam naman natin yung ilan lang yung pera na alam natin yung ang tawag dyan is yung compensation ng government natin, di ba? Hindi naman ganun kalaki, no? So they have to earn so that they can continue to take the product of Usana. No, hindi pwede na pabayaan mo lang yung distributor mo. Mayroon akong tawag diyan. Ang tawag ko diyan is that marami kasi na unaware sila na hindi sila naging mentor, hindi sila naging coach or naging consultant ng business nila. They become a sole sultan. Anong tawag ng sole sultan? Palaging nag-goal set, hindi naman nagsusupport. yun yung napaka-baliktad na leadership na style. If you goal set your leaders, you have to see to it that you are there to support them. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not about the money, but it's you being there helping them. Napaka-importante that you continue to carry your plug in your business kasi at the end of the day, ikaw yung tinitingnan na goal director, hindi yung iba. If no one will carry the plug, pick up that plug and carry that plug. Pag wala nang nag-carry ng plug, halimbawa, nawala yung upline ko, part-time ang upline ko, ganyan, no? Hindi na tayo magdrama kasi imaginein mo, hindi naman tayo babayaran pag magdrama tayo, right? So, yeah, beliefs in, you have to realize also that Usana is 6 ways to earn. Help that distributor to realize 6 ways to earn. Na halimbawa, pumasok siya sa Usana, bago sa Usana, nagtinda siya ng mask. Ipa-realize mo siya, ito yan, nagtinda ng mask, nag-retail. Yan, no? One way to earn. Pag sinasabi natin, agent siya, iwan ko lang, ano siyang agent, ito yan, mayroon siyang commission. Pero hindi naman yan weekly. Per sales yan. Usana is weekly commission. Ang maganda, GSB pa. Ano yung GSB? Group volume points. Group sales volume points. So imaginein mo, group sales. Hindi siya individual sales. Naalala mo, bakit yayaman ka pag trabahuin mo yung Usana? Isa lang. Kasi leveraging siya and then group sales siya. So meaning to say, hindi effort ng isang tao. Effort ng maraming tao. Kaya nga, ito yon. Ang key doon is that build a family but lead them. What's that, Mentor Ranel? Build a family but lead them. Build a family and lead them. So group sales, yeah. And ano yung group sales, Mentor? 20%. Imagine mo, 20%. Retail is 20% markup. And of course, 20% of the GSB. Maraming hindi nakarealize dito. PPPS, matching bonus. Nurture them. Paintindi natin sa mga bago natin para hindi sila mawala. Kasi palagi tayo, marami tayong maraming sponsor. Ang goal din natin, marami tayong makip. And we can increase that retention level in our Usana. Pero wag kayong mag-alala. If Usana retention is 10%, in traditional business is only 1%. 1 out of 10 in traditional business ang nag-succeed. In Usana, it's almost 10%. O mamili ka sa dalawa, sa 10%, kaya sabihin mo sa akin, ang daming failure sa Usana. Itanong mo kaya sa traditional business, ilan yung failures? Baka hindi natin alam, right? No? So, yun po. Incentive. No, hindi na kailangan, no? Dati may company ako pa yung nagpa-travel ng mga tao ko, right? Leadership bonus. Ang ganda dito si Usana, as you lead your organization, as you lead your team, mayroon siyang tinatawag na leadership bonus na 3% of the worldwide weekly bonus pool. Again, it's weekly. PPS is weekly, right? Ang travel incentive natin ng Usana, 3 times a year. Pwede mong kunin, larasin mo yung 3. And of course, you can have elite bonus if you continue to work hard, no? So, at least, klaro ba sa atin yan? No? So, klarong-klaro ang business natin sa Usana. Hindi siya ganun ka, no? Very generous. Tama yan, ma'am. Very generous. So, what else, Mentor Ranel? No? So, marami siguro sa atin dito nakarealize. Today, I'm 5-star Diamond Director in Usana. In the coming months, Mentor Ranel, ano yung gagawin mo? Of course, to continue to climb up. No? So, ganyan po, no? And of course, the last but not the least about building the beliefs because ito yung magpa-retain ng mga leaders natin. Ang last is that training and events. Pag hindi natin kayang dalhin ang mga leaders natin in Zoom meeting, mahihirapan tayo sa business natin. Kaya ang maganda siya sana ganito. It's a combination with the corporate and your respective uplines gumawa ng training. Kaya ang problema natin, palagi sinasabi, ay na-burnout na sa training ang mga tao. Guys, wag kayo makipag-work sa mga taong madaling ma-burnout. Kahit walang Zoom meeting, ma-burnout yan. Or imaginein mo, ang mga leaders na kasama mo dito, gusto ka na aasinso sila, pero ang kinuha mo, yung mga taong ma-burnout ng Zoom. Ako hindi ko ma-burnout ng Zoom. Hindi rin ako ma-burnout sa face-to-face. Hindi rin ako ma-burnout sa Usana. No, because I know that I can only add value when I am already learning the business. So training and events in nurturing your leaders is non-negotiable. So sponsoring, equipping about the basic skills is non-negotiable, and of course, itong nurturing about the product, na maganda ang product ng Insana, ang complan ng Insana, 6 ways to earn, and then yung training and events is ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante kasi ang goal natin dito is mag-create ng leaders. Mag-create ng leaders. Kaya yung next dito is what? It's all about number 4, the process is, number 4 is, ito yon, yung developing our leaders. Developing our leaders is very important in this business. Kaya nga mayroong tinatawag na leadership bonus. Kasi ang goal natin, magiging gold and mag-max out ang business center natin. So, halimbawa, if you are a gold director right now and then hindi ka kumita ng maganda, huwag kang ma-discourage kasi practice pa lang yan, right? So, huwag kang ma-discourage if hindi masyadong maganda ang kita natin. Ano yung gagawin natin, Mentor Ranel, pag gaganda yung kita? Babalik tayo sa excitement level and then mag-sponsor tayo ulit, right? Ayan, mayroon ka nang na-sponsor. And then you nurture them, right? Yung nurturing natin, you nurture mo yung bago mo, tulungan mo. Ayan, and then the next, you equip them with the basic tools, right? You equip them, and then basic tools and basic knowledge. And then after equipping them, dalhin mo siya dito. Developing leaders. Kasi at the end of the day, we count leaders. We count the leaders in our organization, and we nurture our associates become a leader. And for your information, leaders and gentlemen in the room, this is a business of leadership. Kaya nga, if walang training and events, wala talaga. Kaya nga sabi ni Tony Robbins, if you really want to be successful as fast as you can, for example, you want to develop a leaders, there's only one shortcut. What is that shortcut, Mentor Ranel? You have to model someone in your organization na naging successful. Kaya nga, yung honoring to your uplines, honoring is equal to gratefulness. Honoring or yes upline attitude, hindi yan masama. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo kasi ayan, maraming mga tao, ayaw ko niyang ganyan kasi bakit ba talaga dito mag-yes upline? Bakit ba talaga dito mag-yes mentor? Guys, it's biblical in the Bible that you have to honor to authority. Pag hindi mo kayang i-honor yung upline mo, palagi ka lang naghanap ng sinong magaling na upline. Ayan, palagi ka lang nagsasabi, kinikritics mo yung upline mo, ganyan. You cannot be blessed in that way, right? Kaya nga, you have to honor them kasi wala tayo dito sa Insana, wala yung mga mentors natin, mga upline natin. Isabihin na natin, mentor, kasi pabalik-balik yung mga training ng upline. Guys, ikaw na lang kaya gagawa ng training. No? So, modeling someone is the most important thing in this business. Kasi pag gagawa ka pa ng sarili mong system, palagi kang naghanap ng system na tama na yung mali naman talaga is yung attitude natin. Modeling to someone is very important. Modeling. Halimbawa, ano yung modeling to someone is very important, Mentor Ranel? Meaning to say, sino dyan sa grupo natin or sa organization natin from your upline, model ano yung mga ginagawa nila. And one thing for sure, leaders are always attending training. You have to model that one. You have to model that one. So, Mentor Ranel, nagka-momentum ako before. Kung nagka-momentum ka before, balikan mo, bakit ka nagka-momentum before? Then you model that ano yung ginagawa mo, bakit ka nagka-momentum? Our sales, last quarter, Mentor Ranel, in our organization, ang dami naming nag-rank advance sa organization namin. Grabe talaga, no? Yung rank advancement. Then you look at ano yung ginawa niyo before. Maybe massive yung activity, maybe from offline to online, maybe grabe talaga yung ginagawa natin. So model those activities. No, model those activities or model someone na naging successful dito. And the next thing is that you immerse. Tonight, the humble 524 leaders in the room is attending this event. Ang tawag dyan is immersion. You immerse yourself. Because that is the only way that you can be successful as fast as you can. So imaginein mo, palagi mong tinatanong, ano ba talaga yung step 1? Ano ba talagang gagawin ko dito? Alam ko, palagi itong tinuturo ng mga mentors natin. Yung process of building the business, yung sponsor talaga, mag-sponsor. STP every day. Yung in-nurture mo yung tao mo, i-keep mo, mag-training ng keeping, yung i-NDO mo about the product, plan, company, industry, and self, and then equipping, and then developing leaders. Alam ko palagi itong tinuturo. But this night is another thing because ni-remind ko lang kayo lahat. Ni-remind ko lang kayo that the last but not the least dito is napaka-importante that balik pa rin sa sponsoring, no, yung developing leaders, because alam nyo, mastery in this business, repetition is the mother of all learning. Repetition, meaning to say you have to repeat the process. You have to share the product, share the plan every single day. And I can still remember Mentor DC and Romel Balaguer at the time, nung palagi lang sinishare palagi sa akin dati na STP every day, STP every day, STP every day. Ayun, repetition is the mother of all learning. You have to keep on repeating the process, no? Kasi napaka-importante yan. So ano yun, no? So, kaya nga, ito, if you can see that one, personal leadership is the key to success in network marketing as it builds the other leadership skills. If you cannot lead you, then you cannot lead others. So in developing leaders, immersion, modeling, immersion, and repetition is the most important thing in order for your leaders to be developed. Right? Ayan, walk the talk, no? So again, from sponsoring to nurturing to equipping to developing leaders, no? So yun yung pinaka-importante, but ang hindi mawala dito is yung excitement natin. Kaya nga napaka-excited ko to really maneuver the organization, huddle every line about the next 4 weeks program in Yusana kasi we really appreciate it, no? I really appreciate that sabi ko, grabe talaga in Yusana kasi ginawa yung program na to. Mayroon kami mga ganito dati pero hindi $100 eh. Hindi rin $150, no? Kaya nga appreciate everything, no? So I hope klaro sa inyo, guys. Are you learning so far, no? Marami, no? In the next 10 minutes, tapos na tayo. So are you learning so far? Ayan, no? So marami sa atin, no? Marami sa atin na So if you can, I hope that you are learning so far and I hope that you will apply this tomorrow. You have to apply this one. You have to keep on sponsoring and talk about Yusana. And if there's one thing that I can share to you guys about sponsoring, every day in Yusana as I go out, my mindset is like this. I go out every day because I want to help someone. I go out every day because who knows? I can be a blessing to the next family. Who knows? I can meet my new clients who is my next diamond director in my organization. That is why I never stop because for me, helping has no ending. Dapat ganyan ang mindset natin, no? So tuloy tayo, no? So yon mga trainings, no? Yung mga goal setting natin, no? So yung mga demo drill and check na yan, ganyan, no? Yung action planning, yung mga team building, alam ko ginagawa ninyo yan, right? So ito yung process na ginagawa natin palagi in our organization na at least magpapunta sa atin sa Diamond that you can never stop. And if kung tingnan mo yan, as you build your new organization, babalik ka naman palagi sa sponsoring eh. Kaya nga, huwag talagang makurap ang mindset. Kaya huwag talagang mawala ang excitement. Huwag talagang mawala ang training. Kasi pag nawala yan, wala talaga. Kasi babalik palagi. Every time you build new lines, okay, once you start, okay, palagi kong inisip ko na, once you start, you never stop. Totoo nga, kasi pag nag-start ka na, no? You start and then you nurture them. And then after you nurture them, you equip them, right? And then you develop them. You help them. No, you help them become a leader in Yusana. Because that is our ultimate goal, right? The ultimate goal in this business is to develop leaders. And who are leaders? You guys in this organization right now na nag-attend tonight are all leaders. You are all leaders. Kayo yung mga leaders na nag-attend dito. Kaya nga kung titingnan mo, grabe talaga Mentor Ranel, no? Klaro pala yung proseso natin dito sa Yusana, no? So, ganyan po. So, what is the right mindset, Mentor Ranel, in this business? Ayon, balik tayo dito. Para at least maintindihan niyo maigi. So, meaning to say, from nurturing to sponsoring to equipping and developing leaders, hindi mo gagawin yan pag hindi ka mag-run. Walang gumagawa ng sponsoring kung hindi ka nag-run. Imposible. Imposible gagawa ka ng sponsoring ng new lines. You can sabotage your success every day if you are not running. Okay lang, pag wala akong sponsor, wala akong direct, hindi naman ako nagra-run. Kaya ang kalaban natin dito, no, alam ni Coach Maris yan, no? Ang kalaban natin dito, itong utak natin, itong mindset natin minsan. Kaya nga, maraming mga tao na corrupted pala na sabi nila, they will wait for the momentum to come in order to run. No. In terms of momentum, you have to pick it up. You have to pick it up. Because hindi lahat nakakita ng momentum. Pag may momentum yung organization nyo, tirahin nyo na yan. Tirahin nyo yan. Because imagine mo, pag hindi mo siya i-run ang business mo everyday, hindi ka makakita ng negosyante that they're working the business. Every day you have to hustle hard, hustle hard. Mentor Ranel, hindi ka ba napapagod? Bakit ako mapapagod? Iba naman yung mindset ko. I go out to help. Hindi ka naman mapapagod pag nag-help ka ng tao, right? Mapapagod ka ba mag-help ng tao? Mentor Ranel, hindi ako katulad mo na ganyan. No, leader talaga. Guys, just lead. Maging leader ka din. Gaya ng ginagawa mo ngayon, you're humble to stay in the Zoom call until 9:30 or 9:35. Humble ka, you become a leader in the future. May mga tao, na-burnout ako. Bakit ka? Dali mo bang ma-burnout? Kahit anong opportunity ibigay mo yan sa mga taong yan, ma-burnout yan. Kaya kukunti lang yung diamond. Kukunti lang yung nagiging emerald, nagiging ruby, nagiging gold executive. Kasi madaling ma-burnout. And even in real world, kukunti lang yung may-ari ng hotel. May-ari ng maraming building. May-ari ng mga barko. May-ari ng eroplano. Kasi yung mga tao madaling ma-burnout. They want to go back in their comfort zone when mayroong hardship. Right? In entrepreneurial life, hindi mo pwedeng gawin yan. Kasi it's not about you anymore when you become an entrepreneur. It's about other people. It's about other people na matulungan mo. Kaya nga, kung hindi ka naniwala sa momentum, ito yon. Pakita ko sa inyo. In 2014, we always look for momentum. 2013, nag-join kami ng USANA. Napakahirap, tingin namin ni Mentor Jonalyn. In 2014, we hustle hard. And sabi ko palagi ni Mentor Jonalyn, no, we can do it. And sabi ko sa kanya, the USANA Pagadian, they will see us Pagadian as the lightning rod in the entire country. Hindi ko nagmamayabang doon, but I just have that beliefs in my heart na kaya ko tong gawin. I just have that beliefs in my heart na hindi ko naniwala sa kulang yung mga taong Pagadian, walang pera yung Pagadian, ganyan. Hindi ko naniwala sa kulang yung tao doon. Hindi ko naniwala, and I erased those limiting beliefs in my mindset. And sabi ko sa kanya, I will carry the flag and become the lightning rod in the entire country. And we hustle hard. We in running to in 2014 we become Ruby. We attempt to run executive Ruby 3 times. Hindi namin nakuha. Sabi ko, pag hindi natin makuha yan on the third time, tirahin na natin yung emerald na yan. And pag may momentum yung emerald na yan, last week, ayan, nakuha namin yung week 1 to emerald. Emerald. Week 1 to diamond yung last week of emerald namin. And then 3 weeks later, we become diamond. And then tinuloy namin yung executive rank advancement namin to executive diamond directorship. And then we landed into executive 1-star diamond director from 90 days only to 120 days. So ibig sabihin, this is like about the reality of sponsoring the business, nurturing our leaders, equipping all the leaders, and develop them. This is all about the bestness na tingin natin sa USANA. Akala natin ano yung rank natin. Be careful about your rank today. Because pwede in the next 90 days, you can jump into 3 major rank advancement or even to 4 major rank advancement, including the executive gold directorship. Kaya hindi ako naniwala sa sabi nila, hindi masolidify yung income. Because after becoming a diamond director in USANA, we never miss, sorry, but totoo talaga to, we never miss to earn for an average income of around $20,000 US. So ibig sabihin, pwede siyang gawin sa USANA basta trabahuin mo talaga ng trabahuin, you work hard, you hustle hard, and from that date on, I can never, we back 2015 until today, for almost more than $1 million a month income. So sabi nila, Sana is business, like you go in there and go in there. Yes, it's true. But if your business is in take-off mode today, in the next 9 weeks, ready to take off your business, because in the next 9 weeks, I know that your business will fly. I know that your business will take off in the next 9 weeks. Guys, go out from your shell. Guys, don't just look at the 9 weeks. Hustle hard every single day. I never stop working so hard in USANA. No? Aim high, ganyan, no? Because at the end of the day, in the next 9 weeks, imagine if the next 9 weeks, look at this one, look at the numbers. In the next 9 weeks, pag mayroon kang presentation every day, every day, imagine mo, kung may presentation ka every day ng USANA, at least dalawa, one in the morning, in the afternoon, consistently, over and over again, whether it is an offline or online, dalawa every day times 30 days. Imagine mo, that is how many? No? Kasi 4 weeks 4 weeks yung program ng USANA Imagine mo yung numbers. Look at the number, guys. Numbers never lie, right? So that is 60 presentation in 30 days. 60 presentation. Imagine mo pag nag-sign up yung 20% niyan or 30% niyan, nag-sign up yung 30%. Imagine mo if you have new 20 associates. Yung 20 associates na yan, imagine mo pag 30% of it naging leader mo. How much leader do you have? 7 to 8 new leaders at the end of the year. Imagine mo pag mayroon kang 7 or 8 new leaders. Kasama mo yung new leaders na yan. Meaning sila yung naging director, sila yung naging server, sila yung sumabay sa inyo. Numbers don't lie. But if you fail these 2 presentation per day, or if you are full-time, you get to 4 presentation per day, huwag kayong aasa because numbers never lie. Kaya nga, if you want to take off your business in the next 9 weeks in this business, the key is to take off this business in the next 30 days. Because the next 30 days is the crucial thing. After 30 days, ano yung gagawin natin? We nurture, we equip, and we develop them. 9 weeks, but the critical thing is the first 30 days, the first 4 weeks, because doon yung sponsoring, massive sponsoring. And then, the next following week after the 30 days is the nurturing side. And when your business will take off, if nag-full throttle yung business na yan, I will tell you. Doon mo ma-feel na sabi mo, grabe pala yung business na to. Ang dali lang pala. Grabe pala yung business na to. But kailangan mo ngayon yung 100% commitment to support the program of USANA, to commit in the next 4 weeks na wag $100 ka kung hindi ka nag $100. To commit in the next 9 weeks. Natapusin natin yung trip na yan to Athens, Greece. Regardless ano yan, $700 a week yan, $1-2 a week yan, ako, I never stop. Hit level 4, growth 25. Gaano kahirap yan? But I always believe that pressure is always a privilege. Yan, ganyan, maganda yung ganyan. Nakakabaliw, ganyan, maganda yung mga excitement na yan. Kasi pag hindi mo kaya maging excited dito sa Zoom call, paano ka maging excited pag wala ng Zoom call, right? No? So maganda yung ganyan, kaya mag-ingay kayo dyan, no? Wala naman, no? So, ayan. No? So, kailangan gawin talaga natin yan, no? So, 100%, all in talaga, 100%, trabahuin natin to kasi at the end of the day, sino yung makinabang dito? Ang makinabang dito is yung mga pamilya natin na nakasalalay sa atin. Yun yung pinaka-importante dito. And more importantly, yung team natin. Napaka-importante yung team natin na take off yung team natin, and by 2022, you can see your organization as flying like an airplane in front of you guys. Kaya nga napaka-importante na kailangan go nang go, guys, right? No? Kailangan natin ngayon yung kasi pressure is a privilege. And when you have pressure in your business, doon lang natin na-feel ang growth. Pag walang pressure ng business natin, hindi natin ma-feel ang growth ng business natin, right? No? Kaya nga, always think outside of the box. No, there are no box in our business. There are no limits in our business. Walang limit yung business natin, walang box yung business natin, walang ending yung business natin. Mentoran, mayroong ending. Maniwala ka, walang ending to, guys. And you can feel what is the fire in my heart right now. No? Right, no? So, ayun po, 2019, we become 3-star Diamond Director and EDS Italy, done, sealed. Ang tawag dyan, full throttle ang business. After this one, you research about full throttle, right? It's an airplane. I'm not a pilot, but it's a full throttle in the business. 2019, nagawa natin. So, about sponsoring, nurturing, equipping, and developing leaders, it's a pattern. It's a pattern that I did every single day, every single week, and every single month, and every single year. No, and I was able to prove that, ayun, pag hindi nawala yung sponsoring mo, hindi talaga nawala yung energy ng business mo. Pag hindi nawala yung nurturing mo sa leaders mo, and then you can develop leaders as many as you can prevent attrition, ganyan. 2020, 4-star Diamond Directorship, and we hit the EDS to Sydney, Australia. So from 2013, Italy, to Sydney, Australia by 4-star Diamond Directorship. And of course, in 2021, 5-star Diamond Director in Usana. And of course, a trip to Peru in 2022. No? So, ayan, no? So, grabe talaga yung business natin. So, be relentless and always have the mindset of what's next after this one. What's next after this one? Guys, nasa utak lang tanan na lahat yan. Kaya kung mayroon man tayong kalaban, the enemy is not outside. Not even in the marketplace. Because if you cannot win yourself, you cannot win the marketplace. Mindset ang labanan dito. And always remember this one. Pressure is a privilege. $100 in the next 4 weeks. Pressure. 6 weeks. Pressure. In the next 9 weeks, you finish the Athens, Greece, so you recompute. But believe me or not, isa lang yung masabi ko sa inyo. Pressure is a privilege, but it's a privilege for you to grow and to see yourself as the new you in 2022. So guys, I hope that excited lahat. I hope that tapos na tayo. I hope that you continue the fire burning in your heart. You do a mom, you talk with your leaders, and of course, don't forget, have that grateful heart that Usana is giving us this program, this promo, and we will all in 100% resolve to support the program. So thank you so much and God bless everyone. No? So ganyan po. So thank you and you are a driver in your business. God bless everyone. This is your Executive 5-star Diamond Director in Usana, Philippines, Ranel Blanco. At your service always. Yan, no? So thank you and God bless.